Oil slides on Syria talks, gold falls, stocks fluctuate. Bloomberg. Bloomberg.com. BusinessWeek.com. Bloomberg TV. Premium. Professional products. Bloomberg Anywhere. Bloomberg Tradebook. Industry products. Bloomberg Briefs. Bloomberg Government. Bloomberg Law. Bloomberg BNA. Bloomberg New Energy Finance. Bloomberg Sports. Enterprise Products Compliance Solutions. Data Solutions. Technology Solutions. Trading Solutions. This site uses cookies. By continuing to browse the site, you are agreeing to our use of cookies. X. Markup Snapshot US. Europe. Asia. Ticker volume price delta DJI 15300.60 negative 25.96 negative 0.17% SM page 501683.42 negative 5.71 negative 0.34% NASDAQ 3715.97 negative 9.04 negative 0.24%. Ticker volume price delta S0XX 52861.90 negative 0.17 negative 0.01% FTSE 106577.11 negative 11.87 negative 0.18% DAX 8504.71 plus 10.71 0.13%. Ticker volume price delta Nikkei 14404.70 plus 17.40 0.12% Hang Seng 22915.30 negative 38.44 negative 0.17% SM page /ADX 205219.63 negative 22.91 negative 0.44%. Bloomberg. Our company. Professional. Anywhere. Home. Quick. News. Opinion. Markup data. Personal finance. Tech. Politics. Sustainability. Luxury. TV. Video. Radio. Federal message muddled as taper meets slowing growth. 0 minutes and 47 seconds. Twitter by the numbers. 500 M tweets a day. Wildcatter hunch unbox $1.5 trillion oil offshore U.S. Texans in dark on Obamacare as enrollment looms. 11. Lehman's cold, dead hand grasps for money. 750. Hank Paulson, financial crisis a 100-year storm. Oil slides on Syria talks, gold falls, stocks fluctuate. By Kyung-Kim Stephen Kirkland, 2013-09-13 T11:58:18Z. Oil and gold led commodities lower as the U.S. and Russia started talks on a plan for Syria to surrender its chemical weapons and investors weighed prospects for the Federal Reserve to cut stimulus. European stocks and U.S. equity index futures were little changed. West Texas Intermediate oil slid 0.7% to $107.84 a barrel at 7:54 a.m. in New York. Gold fell 0.8% $1,311.79 an ounce. The dollar rose against all but one of its 16 major peers. The Stocks Europe 600 Index and Standard & Poor's 500 Index SPX futures slipped less than 0.1%. Bonds paired earlier declines, with the yield on 10-year treasuries 2 basis points higher at 2.93% and German bond yields little changed at 2.01%. U.S. Secretary of State John Kerry reported a constructive start to talks in Geneva today with Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov over the chemical weapons. The report will probably show today that U.S. retail sales rose at a faster pace last month, according to a Bloomberg survey of economists. The Federal will decide to cut monthly purchases of treasuries to $35 billion from $45 billion and keep mortgage bond buying at $40 billion at its September 17-18 meeting. Another Bloomberg survey showed a lot of the geopolitical risk in prices linked to Syria has deflated over the past week as the U.S. accepts to explore alternative diplomatic routes with the Russians to solving the Syrian crisis, said Harry Chillingwarian, head of commodity market strategy at BNP Paribas SA in London. First decline. West Texas Intermediate crude headed for its first weekly decline in 3 weeks. WTI for October delivery fell as much as 1.2 cents to $107.31 a barrel in electronic trading on the New York Mercantile